I'm here with Jeffrey Stano, and he's going to talk about expanding operational uses of Total Lightning ahead of GOES-R. And Jeffrey, what is the premise of your research, and what did you find?
Well, what we're doing right now is, the organization I work with is called NASA's Short-Term Prediction Research and Transition Center. Our role is to try to work with unique and experimental data sets and try to bring them into the operational environment. One of the things that we're doing right now with that are using lightning mapping arrays. These are ground-based networks developed by New Mexico Tech. And this is a collaborative process where we're taking networks from across the country. Some of them are owned by NASA, some of them are owned by universities. And so it's a collaborative environment to bring these networks together. The goal is to try to introduce total lightning data into operations. These data are useful because in addition to just getting, unlike the National Lightning Detection Network, which gives you predominantly cloud-to-ground strikes, you can actually work with lightning mapping arrays to get the total lightning, intra-cloud and cloud-to-ground flashes. Now, it won't give you actual cloud-to-ground strike, but the advantage is you can look at the spatial extent of lightning, you can look at how a storm is updating in time, so it's rapidly intensifying, so it's a precursor to severe weather. What this activity has been doing, we've been working with several new partners across the country, working with Cheyenne, Boulder, Albuquerque, in addition to several Center Weather Service units, such as out in Houston, also up in Longmont, Colorado. And we're taking a lot of the efforts that we've been working with for the past 10 years, with say back in the Southeast, with Huntsville, Alabama, and that forecast office, and try to say, how do we use these data in operations? This then lets us get prepared for the GOES-R era, because we use these data as a proxy for the geostationary lightning mapper.
Great, thank you. And what kind of future work are you working towards on this? Is there anything planned to extend this area of research?
Yes, actually, we're planning on, we have some new collaborations that are coming up. We're hoping to do work with Kennedy Space Center as they hopefully install a new network fairly soon. And also an international agreement with Environment Canada. They're installing a lightning mapping array network in Toronto. We're going to work with the Buffalo Forecast Office in the future. And a lot of the effort is going to go towards, again, looking at GOES-R and getting prepared for using these data operationally across the country.